Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to remove mix playlist from YouTube. Now the first thing I want you to do is log into your YouTube. Okay, from the left hand panel you can come here, click on playlist, and here you can see I have this mixed. Okay, so you can either click on that mix or you can come here, click on mixes. You just identify the mix that you want to remove. I want you to tap on this. And then let me just go ahead and pause this. What you want to do here on the right hand side, you should see this. Click on the down arrow. Once you see your YouTube mix, you'll see these three dots as well at the top right. I want you to click on that and then click here on remove playlist from library. You can see it's removed from library. So if I come back here to my library in the playlist, that mix is no longer here. Okay, even the option is not available. It'll be that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.